Hey everyone, what is going on? LL here from the Handmade and Beyond podcast. Today I want to show you one of my favorite tools to spy on your Etsy competition. Competition is good to see what is doing good, what is selling, what is hot, what are the best keywords, what are some of the shops that are absolutely killing it doing to be successful. You can use that information to your advantage to learn and grow your own shop. I'm not talking about copying someone else's work, copying whatever they're doing. That is lame. Don't do that. But you can use the strategies and some of the ideas and some of the best practices to your advantage. Knowledge is power, and this is just another way to get that knowledge and put it into practice in your shop. So let me show you this tool. It is a tool within one of my favorite platforms, which is Alora. Big proponent of this tool, big fan. It has single-handedly helped me make thousands more in my business each and every month with the tools and resources that they provide. And they have a shop analyzer tool within their platform to help you look at other shops, see what they're doing, see how many sales they're getting, see all their stats. And it is really, really helpful within your own niche to look at your competition and kind of see what they're doing to be successful. So you can take that information and use it to your advantage. So let me show you this tool and we will dive in and I'll give you a tour of how to use it. Let's go. All right, so once you go to Alora, I will include a link in the show notes or the YouTube notes for you guys to go to and use this tool. They have a free trial. Take advantage of it. Lots of tools out there, but this is my favorite, and you're going to see one of the reasons why here in a second. So once you log into Alora, you're going to go under the product research tab on the left, and you will see the shop analyzer tool, which I'm already at. Once you guys are in the shop analyzer tool, you will see a box here where you can type in the name or the URL of the shop you want to look at. They will also give you the top trending shops here, 5 pages worth, where you can see the shop name, total sales, monthly sales, revenue, listings, and accessories. You can click on any of these and it'll show you the same stats. And if you scroll down, you'll see that there's 5 pages worth of shops here that you can look at if you want. But if you know what shop you're going to look at, you simply just type in the name or URL here. I already have one. And then you hit search. And then in a couple of seconds, it will bring up and load that information. I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like here from a different shop that I already loaded. You will see the total sales, revenue, reviews, listings, sales per listing, admirers, when they've been on Etsy. And then you'll see all their listings here with the price, favorites, monthly sales, and total sales numbers here, which is really cool. You can customize this to see what you want to show you what you want to see. So for instance, instead of maybe the price, I want to see total revenue, which is pretty cool. I like seeing the revenue that this listing has generated. So you can see this listing here has generated almost $5,000. You can sort by revenue, favorites, monthly sales, total sales to kind of see their top selling products. And then you can click into the top selling products and see the title that they have, what keywords are in their title, their listing image, and then the specific stats as well. And then you can also see the tags that they're using. So this is very useful information because if you were selling something similar, you may want to use some of the keywords that they're using to be successful with their listings. And you can view this for any of their listings that you want to see. So you can clearly see this shop's top selling products and the specific stats related to their top selling products. So this information is really invaluable for you learning your top selling shops within your niche, what they're doing to be successful. Can you do some of the same things to capitalize on the success that they're having? There's also an analytics tool. You can see the best selling products in a graph, sales distribution, tag frequency, how often their tags are being used, and their top tags. This is really, really useful information. Their price breakdown, who's making it, processing time, which can be useful. Maybe you need to up your processing times to be more successful, to get more sales. And then you can see their about information, which is just their about section of their shop, just imported in here. The other cool thing is you can view this shop on Etsy, which is pretty cool to see what is going on with a specific shop. You don't want to see a snippet in Alora. I want to see their actual shop and kind of see how everything is arranged and put together within their entire shop, which tells us a lot as well that we can learn from their pictures, how it's organized, how it looks, what they're selling. So lots of great information you can use. Here's another shop I uploaded, same thing, overview, reviews, total revenue, featured products, and then again, you have the listings here, which you can sort by to see kind of what the top sellers are, whether you want to do total sales or you want to customize this and do actual monthly sales, monthly revenue. Monthly revenue is good to show trends. So here's the monthly revenue. Maybe you want to see what's hot right now in your competitors' shops, what they're doing, and maybe do something similar or something within your particular niche or subject matter and try to capitalize on that success as well. So this is super useful. The information is out there. This just makes it easier. Put it in one place. You can see it. As you progress and learn within Etsy, you're going to know what your top competitors are, because obviously you want to strive to be like them. If they're doing well, that means that you can do well as well, not to be redundant. So this information can help you capitalize on things that you're doing, implement things and best practices that other shops are doing to be successful, so you guys can be successful too as well. So this tool is really invaluable. Just one of the many tools within Alora that you can use the information out there to implement in your own shop to get more sales, to get more revenue, to have better customer service, and just overall improve your shop and improve your business. So they are always releasing more tools. I love Alora. It's very simple to use, very clean, and very actionable. So I definitely recommend getting Alora. There's a link below. You get a free trial so you can start this shop analyzer, look at your competition, see what they're doing, use that information to your advantage so you can grow your shop. Good luck with using this. I'll be back soon with another video to help you guys out. Have an amazing rest of your day.